Hi everyone, I'm Jack Hurley, the Superintendent of Schools, and I want to invite you to join me on a virtual tour of our buildings that have just completed their renovations and additions, funded by the referendum that was passed by the community in 2019. As you'll see, the improvements to our schools have really benefited our students, faculty, staff, and the whole community. I thank you all for your support, both in funding the project and throughout the construction. So now come along with me as we tour the facilities. At the Kindergarten Center, the renovations provide for a more accessible and functional building for students and staff. The new lobby entrance provides better security and also adds an elevator to assist anyone, student, parent, or staff, who may need them. The ramp leading to the NPR was replaced, and the entire outside recess area was improved with a retaining wall and paving. The multi-purpose room was renovated. It's now air-conditioned and more spacious for our students who use the room for physical education, assemblies, and lunch. In 3 classrooms that were not equipped with bathrooms, which are required by code for kindergarten classes, bathrooms were added. The nurse's office was also equipped with a bathroom, which it was lacking. 2 new classrooms were added to the second story at Lincoln School. You can see that the brick was matched perfectly, as it's hard to tell where the new addition is and where it's been added to the existing building. The classrooms are equipped with bathrooms, so if we ever need to use them as a kindergarten class, we can. And they will also help with any special education classes that may require a bathroom, as the bathrooms in Lincoln School and the Kindergarten Center are all ADA compliant. In addition, a much-needed roofing project was completed at Lincoln as part of the referendum project. Pierpont School was the biggest project in terms of additions. A 2-story building was added with 11 classrooms, 2 faculty rooms, administrative offices, and a brand new gymnasium. The portable classes that are still being used now have a covered canopy to connect them to the main building. The new wing is connected to the older building, with hallways and stairwells being added. In Pierpont and all of our additions throughout the district, increased security systems, including building access cards and cameras, have been added. A guidance office and an administrative office are also part of the new wing. The new classrooms allow for smaller class sizes throughout the building and also allow for special programs like our STEM class and special education classes to have their own rooms. The gym is able to accommodate all levels of athletic play, physical education classes, and serve the entire community through recreation programs. It also has a stage with state-of-the-art lighting and a sound system to enhance the theater and music program. Finally, the NPR, the multi-purpose room, was redone to include a larger pantry area and air conditioning, and allows more room to have a fully functioning lunchroom for the students. The front columns of Union School were replaced as time and weather had deteriorated them. In addition, roof work was completed in the front of the building, and the classic cupola was refurbished. As was the case at Pierpont, Union Middle School also has a new gym. This gym doesn't have a stage, as Union already had an adequate auditorium. The gym will provide the same benefits to the community as the new gym at Pierpont School. Our phys ed department, our athletic department, and the recreation programs will be greatly enhanced. The gym is connected to the main building via a newly constructed hallway. The outside entrance to the gym, as well as the entire exterior of the new constructed building, matches the look of the old building and adds to the charm of Union School. 11 classrooms and the main office had floors replaced as part of the referendum, as water damage had caused buckling in all those areas. The old gym is being converted to 3 science labs and a new nurse's office. That project is not fully completed yet, but we are nearing completion and look forward to the finished product very soon. The new facade of the high school on the Mortimer Avenue wing was replaced and has a brand new look. The new exterior of the 1958 building provides for a more contemporary look, better security, and better climate control. It is a major upgrade to the appearance and functionality of the high school building. Part of the replacement of the facade meant replacing the HVAC unit and the univent system. The univents bring fresh air into our classroom and offices. This improved interior climate of the building is noticeable and will be better for students' health, safety, and also economy. A new set of lockers put in the lower section of the Mortimer Avenue wing replaced damaged and antiquated lockers that were difficult for students to use. Renovations of the existing science labs have allowed for labs that are modern, can handle the project-based lessons, and increased use of technology.